This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, Philippines. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. And before I start, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am just a retail trader like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, let's look at the economic calendar. In fact, I was trading with the overnight session, and that's good I got out where I got out, because news release came about around 8:32 p.m. here in the Philippines, and basically it caused a big spike up in the market. And I'll show that to you right here on my naked chart, I think. Okay, here we are. There we are. See this? Look at that. I was in profit, then I should have taken my profit. Again, don't be trying to be greedy, but I was trying to get my target. So anyways, it shot up. It's good I got out early. I ended up with a loss in my first trade anyways, so on my second trade I would have made up for that loss. I'll be uploading that, but that's where we're at right now. We had a straight up spike to the upside. It basically hit this level right here on the fibs. It's trying to reach that, so I think it's going to hit this +1. You can see this +1 deviation, and my bounce from here, and my bounce off up. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. So the market is just open, as you can see. So let me see here on RSI. We'll see what happens here. It may come back down now. So I'm looking here at our. Yep, see there's the market down. In fact, there's a good entry right here. Let's see if I can get it. Let me see here. I'm right there. 1475. I think I kind of missed it this time. Let me see if I can get this.
Order submitted.
Let's try and get it there. Not, then I don't want to be chasing this. Yeah, so let me put this on right here. See, hopefully it comes back. So anyways, we're going down back to the retrace level. Of this down here somewhere. So like I said, I missed my shot there, so what I'm going to do is close this out. Let's see if it's going to have another shot here. Get a couple points. In fact, this is where I'm at right now in terms of my overnight session. I'm down 157. So let's see if we can make it up. Again, I'm looking for the day between 300 to 500. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on. I'll talk to you guys later. Since we're going to have some background music here, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? So hopefully with that, I think I'm done for the day. We're up to 101. Just wanted to add on that too. So now we're close to 400 for the day. I will be happy with that. Again, our goal for the day was 300 to 500 a day. In fact, over the overnight session here, I've made more than that. As you can see here, when we first started out, 935 to 948. That's what, less than 15 minutes, right? So we made over 400 net. We're close to 500. So, like I said, I'm happy with that. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's what, Thursday? Yeah. By the way, we have the overnight at 2 a.m. Manila time. It is the FOMC. I'm not expecting them to cut rates because really there was no economic activity. So I think that's what's coming up here. In fact, if I look, where is this up next? Right here. Okay. So if I do tomorrow, there it is, 2 a.m. Manila time, 2 p.m. Eastern time, the FOMC, you know, the press conference, the funds rate, and what they're forecasting is less than a 25%. Is that increase, I think? Yeah. Well, they don't expect anything because it's basically less than a quarter of a point. Right, so I don't think they're expecting anything. That's their expectation. That's their. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's at 2 a.m. Those of you who are trading. Sometimes I'm doing my swing trades during that, so I'll see what's going to go on with that. Okay. So with that said, again, have a great evening. God bless to you all. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Again, we made close to, bring it up here. We made close to 400 for the day. Overnight session, I basically lost first time, but I made it up during the morning session. Talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless.